Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a DIY making teachers thank you gifts keychains with ShrinkyDinks. And you guys already have seen how we use this in another project that I did with finger, like handprints with ShrinkyDinks. If this is the ShrinkyDinks you will be using. And comment down below if you have already used this ShrinkyDinks, if I'm doing something wrong. Subscribe if you haven't done so, and if you already did, thank you very much. And say cheese. In this project, you already saw on the little thumbnail how they look, so let's get started.
So you're gonna start by doing your design. I'm gonna recommend for you to do it 8x10 sheet in half and do your design in that amount of space because they are shrinkable. So they're gonna shrink to very small. So the bigger your design is, the bigger the shrinkable thing would be. So make sure you draw it first and then just outline on top of your shrinkable plastic. I'm going to be using Sharpies like you saw already. I showed you which ones I'm using. Sharpies are permanent, and the color of the Sharpie or any medium that you use will turn very dark after you bake them. So make sure that you remember that and you don't make it super dark because it'll turn very dark. So whatever you use, the color is gonna be a bit darker, and just have fun.
And here they are. Look at them. They're so cute. The brown marker Sharpie went a little bit too dark, so you can hardly see like the tip. It's black. That's the thing with anything really, with the markers, the Sharpies I'm talking about, the watercolors or the pencil colors, they'll go darker than your expected like coloring time. Look at this. I like right here that it says Luna so clearly. And this one's a little bit off because I touched the brown. and this one, but it has it pretty. And then I don't know if you're gonna be able to tell, but what do you call the silver? Yeah, the silver, it actually looks like metal. So the last thing that we have is to do our tassel here, our ring, from Amazon. And they're 25 mm open ring and connectors. So this is it's easier to come here and connect through here. Oopsie. Now for this part, I already have cut a piece. I wanted to tell you that if you don't like put a match to it or a lighter and burn the tips of this kinds of thread, it will become undone. So make sure you are careful, and then you burn that little tips of the thread. And now this will not come undone, so please be careful with the fire and the thread. This is only for adults. Our piece of thread, or you have that, your fingers, grab it with your thumb here and then kind of separate it a little bit and then twist around. And then you see you have this loop right on the top. Really tight in there. So there is your little tassel. Our keychain ring, and for that we need these little things for all three of them. So we're gonna need your keychain. It's a little bit bended, but that's because as soon as everything gets done, you gotta I'm thinking that you gotta take it off the parchment paper and place it in another thing so it doesn't get bended a little bit. So okay, like once we have this little thing, we can put our other part of the keychain. Then we grab these kinds of little scissors, I don't know what they call, and we just squeeze this. It's not gonna be, you're not gonna be able to do it with your fingers because it's hard. It's not something that is easy to do. It's not there you go. I was able to close it. There you go. There, it's not gonna be as loose as the other ones, but we made it, and look at that. Everyone has a tassel. All the rings are closed. Let's see, and there you have it. Look at this. There is the keychain tasseled pencil keychain tassel for teachers. It my idea was kind of like to remember that there was a promotion with Luna and 2020 for Miss Coming the teacher, and I think they came out super nice. You can obviously do this for like how I'm going to be doing them, for giving them to the teachers as a thank you gift. Luna's not gonna go back to preschool. She's gonna she promoted to kindergarten, and I think Miss Julie's not gonna be teaching on that preschool anymore. So that's why I'm giving it to her. You obviously could give it to as a appreciation. You can give them as appreciation teacher week. Whenever they are in the school, you can make just for like any gift for any day for a teacher, really. But that's what I'm doing it. It's a Tassel promotion, and I think it's really nice. So hopefully you guys like this video. Give me a thumbs up if you do. Comment down below if you like ShrinkyDinks, if you want me to do more projects with this. Subscribe if you haven't done so. If you already did, thank you very much, and I will see you next time. Goodbye. Bum, 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 bum.